What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back at it today with another video. This one's going to be probably a little boring for some of you, maybe most of you, but something I've been wanting to do for a while. I don't know if you guys saw, but in the last video I picked up a 2008 Honda Civic Mugen SI, and today the time has come. I'm going to go ahead and start really deep cleaning this thing. Previous owner really used it as a workhorse, didn't really treat it with respect or just pretty much just show it the love that it deserves. I am going to start by taking all four wheels off, putting the car on drag stands and pressure washing inside of the wheel wells. Pretty much clean up all the suspension components and underneath the car the best that I can. And yeah, just going to go from there really. All right, got all four wheels off. Just want to show you guys how dirty it is under here. But I'm going to start by deep cleaning these wheels. They're pretty filthy, front side and back side. Alright, as you guys just saw, I just spent the last hour detailing the front and the back side of these wheels. These things came out so good. Still in the 40s out here, so I'm going to keep trucking away. May have to turn this into a tomorrow project too, depending on weather. It's supposed to be warm again, we'll see. But I'm going to start detailing the wheel wells now. This turned into a larger scale project than I thought. You guys see all this dirt and rock? I'm gonna try to show you the best I can. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but quarter panel all up there is just completely caked in dirt and mud as of right now. So I grabbed the screwdriver. This is the best tool I have to use, but I'm just gonna go up in there and kind of clean all that out the best I can. Yeah, good times. Looking a lot better though. So I got that cleaned up the best I could. Try to show you guys real quick. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, just got the front and rear both pressure washed, soap washed, and then pressure washed again. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this front lip off and then pull off the rear lip as well, and then do a deep clean underneath on the actual bumper side of the paint. And yeah, just keep on moving. Yeah, I'm just washing my car like a dipshit in February. Yeah, thank you. Oh, there it is. Good thing it isn't nice. You guys like that? Got the front and rear lip off, as you guys have just seen. Look at this thing. There's the front one, and then there's the rear one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start hitting the whole car with the pressure wash. Now that I got the lip off in the front and the lip off in the rear, there's obviously more exposed dirt and stuff. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to hit it real hard again, whole car, and then we will start spraying it with some suds. See if we can't get this thing looking halfway decent. Just to address it now, the 3M tape that's on the front, and there's some on the rear too, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Probably won't worry about it until when I'm ready to throw the new lip on. Maybe even when I'm ready to do the color correction. We'll see. All right, guys, it is now the next day. Decided to not film any of the rest of the process yesterday, which was basically just drying off the car. Fast forward into today, the new task. These seats are pretty rough, pretty dirty. And then these back seats are also just in really rough shape. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the seats out, front and rear, and the back seats and the bench part of the back seat, and take them out back and clean them up the best I can with the pressure washer and some soap. Not everyone probably will agree with that method of cleaning, but that's how I've always done it, and I've never had any problems. And it's like 45 degrees right now, so I'm gonna take advantage of that good weather while I can. All right, guys, to save you from another time lapse of me ripping this car apart, just wanted to go ahead and skip the process of pulling the carpet out. Haven't told you guys yet, the reason for this extensive detail is because I found a colony of maggots underneath the back seat. So yeah. Bro, check this out though. I don't even want to touch them seat belts. See that? Yeah, like, and you see the foam from the seat on both sides. I literally had to peel the seat, like I could hear it tearing off of the body of the car. Pretty awesome. So that's why I have gone to the great lengths of pulling everything out, spraying it with foam cannon, pressure washing everything, and now pulling the carpet out. I guess in hindsight, the car will be completely fresh and clean and brand used by the time I'm done with it. So yeah, I'm gonna hang that carpet up on the fence. I'll lay it out real quick so you guys can see it. Here it is. Pretty filthy. The underside of it, thankfully, all the insulation underneath it isn't overly terrible, but the top part is pretty well stained and disgusting. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a few more days until I get this completely done. I do want to hit the seats one more time, and then I have to clean the interior plastics right here. These are all extremely filthy as well, and I want to just put it all back together inside the car and not have to clean anything else except for the dash and the door panels. So it's going to be a few days, especially with the weather and me pressure washing carpet and seats. It's 45 degrees and not expected to get any warmer. I mean, obviously it's like February right now, but yeah, sorry guys, I know this video is really long, but I'm just trying to do it right. Well, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. This video's already taken me like nearly a month just to get this far. Just wanted to put some content out for you guys this weekend. I just got back from a trip, working on those Hondas out of town again. So you guys have that video to look forward to next weekend. And then yeah, that's what my schedule's looking like so far, so. Hope you guys enjoyed today's really long video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.